Beyond his ken. Beyond his ken. Ken here means knowledge. It's an idiom. Let us see the meaning of it. Beyond his ken means beyond someone's understanding. That is, if something is not within the range of what someone knows or understands, it is called beyond his ken. Let us see it in the examples. The first one, please don't talk to me about grammar. It's just beyond my ken. So I can't understand grammar. That's the reason it's just beyond my ken. The second one, listen to me, my son. These complex issues are beyond your ken. So you cannot understand the complex issues. These are the great issues that you cannot understand. That's the reason they are beyond your ken. Third one, the stuff they are teaching in this advanced maths class is a bit beyond my ken. So this maths class is advanced class, I can't understand. That's the reason it's beyond my ken. Fourth one, the subject matter was so technical as to be beyond the ken of an average layman. So average man cannot understand the subject matter because it is related to technical issue. That's the reason it is beyond the ken of average man. The fifth one, these changes occurred for reasons that are beyond my ken. So I don't understand why these changes have occurred because I can't understand them. It's beyond my understanding. That's the reason it's beyond my ken. The word ken is taken from Scottish. So it's a Scottish origin and it means to know someone or something. Therefore, when you say that something is beyond my ken, you do not know anything about it, for it is beyond your understanding. So finally we understand beyond his ken means beyond someone's understanding.